In bone defect repair, why do surgeons continue to look for more ideal substitute materials, even though autologous bone is recognized as the best choice? Hi everyone, I'm Ye Song from the marketing department at Allgens Medical. In this episode, I'd like to introduce the design philosophy behind Allgens Medical's biomimetic mineralized collagen as an innovative bone graft material. In bone defect repair, autologous bone has long been regarded as the best choice for bone grafting. However, it still comes with some practical limitations. For example, it requires a second surgical site, and it may cause additional trauma and complications, and the amount of bone available for harvesting is limited. That is why we wanted to develop a material that could serve as an ideal alternative to autologous bone, a bone graft material that is closer to human bone. We call it biomimetic mineralized collagen. As we know, mineralized collagen is the fundamental component of human bone. Through patented technology, bone gold is able to simulate the natural mineralization process of bone in vitro at its microscopic level. Biomimetic mineralized collagen is highly similar to human bone, and its porous structure helps support good osteoconductivity. In terms of composition, it also shows highly consistent with human bone. As a highly biomimetic artificial bone material, mineralized collagen artificial bone graft demonstrates more balanced and comprehensive performance in osteoconductivity, biomechanicals, and degradation. In the next episode, we will be excited to introduce the comprehensive clinical applications and value.